Welcome back, guys. So let's create our last page using the same method. So I'll come back to my WordPress dashboard and I'll go back to the page settings. So right now we've worked on the home page, we've worked on the about us page. Right now I want to work on the services page. So all I have to do is to view it. Let's make sure we can preview it and we can see what we are doing. So right now I'm in the service page, which is currently blank. So I'll just do the needful as I've been doing. So I'll come back to my dashboard. I'll use the edit button to edit the services page. So right now in services, I have to close the I tag. I've already shown you about the I tag. So I have to close it right now, which is this. So I'm going to close that. And that way it's not going to show our services. I've shown you that before, but let me refresh it so you see it. So the services disappears. Yeah. So we come back here. We're going to add our block. We're going to add with the plus sign. Yes, we're going to come here to add custom code. So we're going to add custom HTML. Remember, we're going to use the custom HTML function to write our code. And right here in ChatGPT, we're going to prompt for the service page. So I will say create a service page with create the service page for AAIP I want you to add icons from Font Awesome, and yes, icons Font Awesome. Font Awesome is a place where icons are. So I would say Font Awesomes, and I would say let it be modern and classic with a simple call to action that says contact us. Yeah, so I'll proceed to prompt this code and let's see what it brings for us. So here is a modern and professional services page for AI PSDS, utilizing font awesome icons to enhance visual appeal. The page includes a service list, icons, and a simple contact us. So let's see what that will be. So we are waiting for that to get done. So right now the code is being worked on. All I have to do is to copy the code and have it pasted in the custom HTML tab. So right now we are doing that right away. So let's wait for that to happen and we're going to copy that to proceed. So right now we have this and I'm going to just show you. So let's wait for that, and yes, we have all this. All I have to do is to copy this. I'm going to copy this code, and having to copy this code, I'm going to come back to my I'm going to come back to my dashboard, to my WordPress dashboard. I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to paste it in services, and having to paste it in services, all I have to do is to preview the services, and this is what it currently looks like. So it looks okay to me. All I have to do is to save this, and that way we'll be able to create our service page. So if you have to edit, you know how to go about that. So I'm saving this right away, and I just saved that. So all I have to do is to refresh this. I'm going to refresh this right now, and this is what we have right away. We have what we offer, we have ready to work. So the services page has been created. It's just as easy as that. So all you have to do, if you have to edit, you can edit, and this is what we have right away. So the icons are not showing, but that is not a problem. Just leave all that for now. If you are very good in HTML, to work around this will be very easy for you. But right now we'll be able to create a full website with our HTML custom code and generative AI, then with WordPress on our mobile phone. And that's all that matters. So you could go ahead to edit whatever you don't want. I've shown you how to edit. All you have to do is to switch to your HTML, then you could easily edit whatever you don't want. So it's as simple as that. I've shown you how to edit basically, and we've created a full page. So the next thing we're going to do is to arrange this page. So we're going to select the home page, because right now if you come to the website, home page, you won't see anything right now because we've not actually laid out the page. So the domain name is aipsds.com. So I'm going to click on that. As you could see, is blank. The menu is not correct. The footer is okay, but the menu is not correct. So you could do all these changes. You could work on all these. I'll show you how to work on all this so that the website comes in place. I'll see in the next lesson, but we'll start working on the menu settings, the home page settings, the blog settings. We have to create different posts just to have some blog posts, but that's what we're going to do in the next lesson. And later on, we're going to talk about the home page and blog settings. We're going to talk about the menu settings just to make sure our website is in place and is well structured. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.